Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to download and install Eclipse IDE in Windows 10-11. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first of all, we need to download and install JDK in our Windows 10-11. So I have already made a video over how to download and install JDK in Windows 10-11. You can check that video through I button. After that, we need to download and install Eclipse IDE. So to download Eclipse IDE, we need to use one browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any other browser. Here we need to search Eclipse. Here you can see www.eclipse.org is the official website. So we need to click on it. After that, we need to click on download. Then we need to scroll down. And here you can see install your favorite desktop IDE package. So we need to download it from here. So click on download 8664. Then click on download link. After that our download started. It's 129 MB. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. Now our installer is downloaded. So we need to click on it. As you can see, Eclipse installer is started. There are some options available like Eclipse IDE for Java, Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Development, Eclipse IDE for C++ developers, Eclipse IDE for embedded C and C++ developers, and so on. So we need to download Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Then we need to click on it. So here you can see I have installed JDK 17 in my system. So it's automatically detected JDK 17, and this is the installation folder, that is user asus eclipse java 2023-12. This is the latest version. So you can change it if you want to, but I will keep it to default. Then we need to click on install. After that, we need to accept terms and conditions. It will take some time. As you can see, installation completed successfully. Now shortcut is also created on our desktop screen, so we can launch it from there and also from there. So we need to click on launch. As you can see, Eclipse IDE 2023-12 started. Here you can see select a directory as Workspace. What is Workspace? Workspace is a place where all your files, folders will be saved. You can change it by clicking on browse and select any other folder or directory, but I'll keep it to default. Then click on use this as default and do not ask again. So you will not have to select it again and again. So click on launch. So it's showing welcome to Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So our Eclipse is perfectly installed in our system. So this is all about how to install Eclipse IDE in Windows 10-11. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further updates.